Alright, moving on to the next factor, carbon dioxide concentration. Now, carbon dioxide is a key ingredient in photosynthesis. It's one of the raw materials the plant needs, as it combines with water to produce glucose. So, when we increase the amount of carbon dioxide available, the rate of photosynthesis also increases, but that's as long as the other conditions like light and temperature are also ideal. The more carbon dioxide there is, the more raw material the plant has to work with, and that helps the process move along faster. But there's a limit. Once the plant gets enough carbon dioxide, increasing it further won't make much of a difference. At that point, something else, like light or temperature, might become the limiting factor, and the rate of photosynthesis levels off. And now let's look at the other side, that what happens when carbon dioxide levels drop. Well, when there's less carbon dioxide available, the rate of photosynthesis decreases. Because carbon dioxide is one of the essential raw materials in the process. With low carbon dioxide, the plant doesn't have enough material to produce glucose efficiently, so the whole process slows down. As a result, the plant might struggle to generate enough energy for its normal growth and functions. Over time, this can lead to stunted growth or reduced productivity, especially if the low carbon dioxide levels continue.